Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simran. So in today's video I'm going to recreate another Bollywood celebrity makeup look. So ये makeup look होने वाला है. You can clearly see. आपको क्या लगता है? Guess कर लो and comments में बता दो. Guys, this makeup look is going to be Kiara's inspired makeup look from Kabir Singh and I hope you can see. This is the makeup look. मुझे वो movie बहुत पसंद आया था. In that movie Kiara was looking very sweet and innocent. So this is kind of an innocent and sweet makeup that I have done. And like watching this makeup, and this is a very good inspired makeup and I thought you will definitely like this one. So yeah, it's another inspired makeup look. इसके पहले I have also done Deepika Padukone's makeup and I think वो video इसके बाद आएगा maybe, और maybe ये video आ गया है. I'm planning to make a series of these in which I'm gonna do so many celebrity makeup looks and movies का हो या फिर किसी like normal चीज का भी हो. So yeah, अगर आपको और कोई makeup look देखना है, inspired look देखना है, then comment down below. I will surely make that for you guys. And if you are new on my channel, then do not forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, and also press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. Yeah, if you want to know how I created this makeup look, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, so now we are going to start with the skincare and the makeup. So as I told you, I'm going to recreate this makeup look which I absolutely love, because you can go with this makeup look to your college, office, or wherever you want to go. You just want to look simple yet glowy and beautiful, then you can go for this look of Kiara. And I love her skin in this look, and as I can notice that skin बहुत ज़्यादा glossy है, उसके साथ साथ lip में भी थोड़ा सा color है which is like a very muted pink color. So we are going to do the same, and also eyes थोड़ा सा I guess pinky brown shade है crease पे, and mascara है and eyebrows है. That's it. You can clearly see this is her look, and I tried my best to recreate her outfit and her hair. You can see this hair I tried my best to create. I hope you guys will like this. So yeah, हम start करेंगे the makeup and the skincare. So guys, as you can clearly see, I have nothing on my skin right now. This is my bare face, and now I'm going to start with the skincare first. So firstly, I'm going to spray this green tea toner by Good Vibes. It's a very good prepping spray, you can say. गाइज ये मेकअप लुक बहुत ज़्यादा डे अप्रोप्रिएट एंड एवरीडे अप्रोप्रिएट एंड बहुत ज़्यादा सिंपल होने वाला है, विच इज़ लाइक नॉट गोना टेक अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, बट आई विल डेफिनेटली हैव टू कंसंट्रेट ऑन माई स्किन प्रेपिंग बिकॉज स्किन बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है कियारा का, एंड आई लव हर स्किन द वे दैट लुक इज़ लुकिंग. आई जस्ट लव दैट. उसके लिए मुझे अपने स्किन को बहुत अच्छे से हाइड्रेट, मॉइस्चराइज एंड प्रेप करना पड़ेगा. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा होता अगर मैं सीट मास्क लगा लेती, बट आई फॉरगॉट टू डू दैट एंड आई डोंट हैव time right now. So let's just concentrate on our skincare and the serums. Yeah, ये अच्छे से absorb हो चुका है. Now I'm going to apply a serum. So I'm going to go for this Aqualogica Hydrate Plus serum. ये बहुत अच्छा serum है. I love this one so much. So this is very affordable and ये definitely आपको एक glossy look देगा skin पे. So next I'm going to apply this favorite moisturizer of mine, but I can say nothing can beat this moisturizer. The glow it will give you on your skin, it's like awesome and amazing. I love this one. So you can clearly see this is how the consistency of this product, and I have to apply a generous amount of it. So let this sit on your face for 5 minutes, and after that we are going to move for the next step. Guys, now moisturizer अच्छे से absorb हो चुका है skin पे, and I can do the next step. I'm gonna apply this Lakme Lumi cream. So this will help me to achieve that extra glow. And मैं इसको कहाँ पे लगाती हूँ, I'm gonna show you. So just taking this much amount, and I'm gonna apply it here क्योंकि forehead बहुत ज़्यादा shiny है. You can see that glow. Oh my god, I just love this. So here I have all the makeup products that I need for this look, and I'm gonna take out my concealer right now. So for my concealer today, I'm gonna use this Pac Take cover concealer. So this is like exactly my shade, you can clearly see. क्योंकि ये look में base बहुत neutral है, so I'm not gonna overdo it. Just gonna apply tiny dots. I think my concealer is done. Now to just even out my face, I'm going to apply a very light coverage foundation. So I'm going to use this Mamaearth Glow Serum Foundation. Again, it's a very light coverage and light weighted foundation which will look so good on this look. Guys, in this look, just concentrate blending with your beauty blender. Don't use brushes, because इससे ना आपको बहुत ज़्यादा नेचुरल फिनिश मिलेगा लाइक ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर से. एंड दिस फाउंडेशन इज ऑल्सो अ ग्लोई फाउंडेशन. सो इस लुक के लिए इट्स लाइक सो परफेक्ट, बिकॉज कवरेज आप देख ही लो, बहुत लाइट वेटेड है एंड लाइट कवरेज है, एंड ऑल्सो इट्स वेरी ड्यूई. Guys, now I'm going to shade my face and I'm going to use this Nykaa's compact powder. So इससे मैं अपने eyes को and अपने T-zone को ही set करूँगी. Guys, if you have like oily skin, just try to set this area very nicely so that आपका creases ना आए and also आपके face थोड़ा सा matte लगे around the T-zone. So now I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzer. So इससे मैं थोड़ा सा अपने face को structure दूंगी and it will not come. So it will look very natural the way I'm doing. You just have to do like this. Just pat this. That's it. Can you see? थोड़ा सा warmth add कर रहा है, but not so much. Guys, now I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Guys, as you saw, eyebrows are like very well defined in the look. So I'm just gonna do that. I think I have done a pretty good job for the brows. So I'm going to pick this Nykaa eyeshadow palette. So इसमें से I'm gonna take this shade like this one. Guys, आज I noticed in the picture crease थोड़ा सा define हुआ है, उसके साथ साथ lid पे भी color है. So I'm gonna do the same. I think eyes are looking like pretty similar to it. Yeah, so next, as I can see, upper lash line पे she has a little bit of kajal and lower lash line पे कुछ नहीं है, like mascara है सिर्फ और सिर्फ. So I'm going to repeat the same thing. So guys, for my kajal, I'm going to use this Mamaearth Kohl. So just take your kajal and आप नीचे की तरफ देखो, then place it over here and apply it. Guys, you have to be very careful, ये ऊपर ना लग जाए. So अगर मैं इसको ओवर करूँगी तो ये नीचे की तरफ भी लग जाएगा, which will not gonna look the same and it will not gonna look nice. So yeah, I think I'm done with the kajal. So now I'm gonna put mascara. पहले मैं अपने lashes को curl करूँगी and then I'm going to use this Sky High mascara by Maybelline because इससे वो beautiful सा eye effect आएगा and I think this will go nice with this look. गाइस, मस्कारा भी आपको ज़्यादा नहीं लगाना है, आपको बस एक कोट मस्कारा लगाना है, दैट्स इट, बिकॉज मस्कारा भी बहुत सिंपल है. आई होप यू कैन सी इट्स लुकिंग वेरी प्रिटी राइट नाउ. So yeah, we are done with our eye makeup and this is what the eye makeup is all about for this look. So I hope you guys will like this one. So next I'm gonna apply some blushes and a little bit of highlighter. Guys, to add that very nice subtle pinky glow, I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Cosmetic Duo. थोड़ा सा peachy tone का like blush है, as I can see from the picture. So that's why I'm picking this one. Guys, for my highlighter, I'm gonna pick this Nudestix highlighter. And I'm gonna apply a lot of on my forehead. I'm gonna again take the same powder like the setting powder, and इससे मैं अपने T zone को और एक बार सेट कर लूँगी. And for my lipstick, I'm using this NYB Shakti's matte lipstick. It's a liquid lipstick, and I think this will be exactly the same shade. So lastly, I'm going to take this mist and I'm just gonna spray it so that जो भी powder products है वो अच्छे से मिल जाए. What do you guys think? I think I'm done with the makeup and I think it's looking pretty similar. Yeah. Okay guys, I'm done with the makeup and this is how my skin is looking right now, and the makeup is looking absolutely amazing. As you can do this makeup while going to your colleges and office. It is so simple, yet हमने बहुत सारा steps cover किया हुआ है and skin is looking very juicy. So that is what this makeup is all about. And guys, I hope you are liking this series and I hope you like this look as well, and I absolutely love this look and it's looking very pretty and I think I did a good job. Guys, आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना कि और कौन से लुक्स आपको देखने हैं. So yeah guys, this is all about today's makeup look and today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. अगर आपने अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो. Press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you guys will be notified. Comment down below if you like this makeup or not, or what else you want me to do. Yeah, I shall see you in my next video. Bye bye.